Hello, bonjour, I'm Cécile, a French artist, and I am so excited to show you my last course. This one, I had so much fun doing it. I am beyond excited, as you can tell, and this is all fitting in this sketchbook. I love sketchbooks, but I think you know that by now, because you can have everything in one single place. And also you can see how much you improve from the first page to the last one. This course is 30 days of pet portrait because we all love our cats and dogs. I am a cat lady, but there are dogs also inside because I'm thinking about you too. We will begin with doodles because you have to warm up, and also I want you to think that drawing and painting is fun. So let's begin with something without any pressure. Let's make some blobs of colors and add scribbles on top of it, just to learn how is working a cat or a dog. That is fun. Then let's make some cute faces with kind of doodles, just to release the pressure, because I know a lot of you want to go directly to realistic portraits, but we have to build our skills step by step and not trying to achieve a wonderful painting at first. And the good thing with this course is we are building our skills on top of each other. So when you have mastered one page, you can move to the second one and the third, etc. And also this is mixed media because I think it's a good way to try new things. Maybe you have those brush pens taking the dust that you never used. I will show you different ways to use brush pens, but also watercolor pencils, crayons, and gouache, of course. I had to include gouache inside this. But there is not only gouache. And I think what is interesting is that when you try a new medium, maybe you will discover a new way to use it, and it will build your style as well, because we all want to define our style, and I'm saying that you'd better shape your style because your style is already inside of you. If you want to know more about art style and how to shape it, I have a video that I link in the description. And also, cats and dogs don't really need to have realistic colors. We can go with bright colors, with fun colors, because why not? Oh, let's draw cute dogs in vignettes because I love that. They are so cute. Some cats in ovals and a funky dog with blue and purple and green. A big fat boy with watercolor and brush pens. I love mixing media. And then we are going for continuous lines. So it's wonky, it's weird, but it's so powerful because look at those cats. They are a bit wonky, but then this dog and this cat were done with a continuous line design. Now we can move to crayons. I love crayons because they have a broad tip, so you cannot go into details, and this is exactly what I was looking for, something really large. And you have to simplify the shapes when you are using crayons. Oh, then some gouache, because we didn't have gouache yet. So this is a full page of dogs on a white background, and then I think I've been a bit crazy with this one, but I love it. Really? This one is maybe my favorite page of the sketchbook. Pretty cool, isn't it? Then go back to some watercolor with a grumpy cat and funky dog. Some crayons, brush pens, watercolor pencils, watercolor and watercolor pencil. Oh, I love this guy. And some gouache and a mixed media with gouache and something else in the background. How does it sound? Are you as excited as I am? The course is available now. You can get it in the link in description. And I'm so excited to see what you're going to paint from this course. And my goal is not that you just copy what I do, because yeah, why not? But I want you to learn new skills and to be able to paint your own cat or dog and really make the skills yours so you can build your art, shape your art style, and most important of all, have fun. See you there.